Over the years, we've done all sorts of segments that feature couscous, and it's really exciting to see how so many of you have fallen in love with this Moroccan favorite. I guess what makes it so darn popular is that it's so versatile. So here's a way that's perfect for summer since it's fresh tasting and can be served hot or chilled. To get things going, we heat some olive oil in a soup pot and add a chopped onion. Once it's golden, we add chicken broth, a bag of frozen mixed veggies that we've thawed, a chopped tomato, some fresh dill, and a bit of garlic powder and salt. After this comes to a boil, we slowly stir in a box of couscous. We'll cover it and take it off the heat, then let it stand for a few minutes. When it's light and fluffy, it's ready to be served right out of the pot. Or you can let it chill and serve it as a novel replacement to a traditional pasta salad. Either way, hot or cold, it's a colorful addition to any table, any time of the year. Maybe try serving it stuffed in a pita for a fun change of pace. To get the simplest can be recipe for vegetable couscous, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a veggie-packed way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.